Hey, I'm Kayla with WTI, and if you're looking for a nice gunsmithing kit, you will not be disappointed with this one from Grip. This is a complete 16-piece hammer and punch set. Now, this is made for gunsmithing, but you also can perform other tasks with the punch kits as well. This comes with a variety of different size punches, which is really convenient to be able to find that exact size that you need. It also comes with a really nice hammer that has 4 interchangeable hammer heads. It comes with a brass, nylon, rubber, and steel hammerhead. The weight of the hammer is really nice too. It has a nice solid weight to it, which is great for really short but forceful and precise blows. Each of the punches have 2 red rings on it. Not only does this really help with your grip, but it also protects your finished surfaces from being marred. This is a versatile set. Not only can you use it with gunsmithing, cleaning, repairing firearms, but you also can use it around the house. This is really a nice set to have around. If you're looking for a high quality gunsmithing hammer and punch set, I would highly recommend checking this one out from Grip. And that's just our point of view.